Hi, and welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the cable cast on, a neat, sturdy method that's perfect for projects that need a strong and polished edge. It's a great alternative to the long tail cast on, and doesn't require estimating your tail length in advance, which is a relief. Let's jump right in. We'll begin with a simple slip knot on the left needle. This counts as your first stitch. Make sure your working yarn, not the tail, is coming from the ball and ready to knit. Insert the needle knitwise into the slip knot, as if to knit. Wrap the yarn around the needle. Pull up a loop and place that loop on the left needle. Just like that. You now have 2 stitches. Now here comes the rhythm of the cable cast on. Instead of going into a stitch, we'll insert the right needle between the last 2 stitches on the left needle, not through a stitch, between them. Wrap the yarn and pull up a loop. Place that loop on the left needle, just like you would do with any new stitch. Gently snuggle it up, but don't pull too tightly. You'll repeat those steps over and over until you have the number of stitches needed. Insert between the stitches, wrap, pull up a loop, and place it back on the left needle. Now make sure you're inserting between the stitches, not through one. That's what creates the nice twisted edge. Try to keep your tension even too. If your edge feels too tightly, loosen your grip a little bit on the working yarn. This cast on works great for borders, edges that need a structure, or anywhere you want a clean, non-loopy look. And that's it, that's the cable cast on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly knitting techniques, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried this method before? Or do you usually use the long tail cast on? Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.